So this weekend we are going to our good friend's wedding in Texas. It's our first time traveling to Texas, so this could be interesting. So we just boarded. We are going to take off pretty soon to Dallas, Texas. Today we are riding a Delta Airbus A320. They do have a free Wi-Fi here, but text though, otherwise you gotta pay. Their free entertainment system is pretty impressive. They have a large collections of movies, TV shows, and even live TV. Also, a large collections of some kids shows and movies. So if you're traveling with kids, this is pretty awesome. Complimentary beverages, very cool. They're gonna try the Bloody Mary mix. Bloody Mary mix. So we are at the Dallas airport. I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do next. It's so much colder here, so time to put on some jacket. So we are finally here at Dallas, Texas airport. But we're not here yet. We have to drive another 20 minutes or so to a city called Plano, Texas. Yeah, so next up, we're gonna go and get a rental car. The rental car place is kind of far away, but there's a shuttle bus that takes us there. I'm just gonna hop onto a shuttle bus.
Birth it and then put that there. They might be good for.
So we are at this humongous car rental place. This place is humongous. It's big. Check this out. So we got ourselves a nice 2019 Nissan Altima. It looks really nice. The trunk is so big, we put all our luggage in there. Wow. So we finally got the rental car. Yeah, it's a nice car.
When he makes a U-turn, he's gonna have to
Not a room.
Stop.
So let's do this. Okay guys, we're finally here at the hotel. We're gonna unload and check in. The hotel's not really fancy, but it's very affordable and just very clean and very just nice. This pretty cool. Oh, check this out, guys. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's up
one.
here.
Yeah.
It's the next one.
Or actually, you know my feel.
I see that you've come so far.
So the first place we're gonna go eat in Texas is Whataburger. Whataburger. Yeah, let's go try it. back in the hotel now. We had a long day today. We're gonna crash right now. Alright guys, it's my next morning. We got some hour to kill in the morning before the wedding. So we're gonna go and look around the city, trying to explore what they have. Let's do this.
Let's do this. I'm ready.
So before we start today, we gotta have our coffee.
Here's a tip. Get a second cup and put it on.
Okay. So we're at this place called Poor Richard's Cafe Restaurant. And this place is jam-packed. Let's check this place out.
You guys want chicken and waffles?
We got the chicken country fried steak, and some eggs,
We got the cooks going today.
some waffles, and some potato stuff, and ham. So we just got here at downtown Plano, Texas. So we're gonna walk around, see what they have. Let's go check this place out. This is a famous Lockhart barbecue place in Texas. But we were so full from the breakfast, we didn't really get any barbecue from here. We just ended up watching other people eat. We are over here, guys. So we've been walking around downtown, and it's not that big. The place is small. And then we found this nice coffee shop. We're gonna chill out here and get some little drink. Alright, so we got all dressed up for the wedding. Now we are ready to head out. And it's not too far away from here, so. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Left on West Parker Road.
We are here, wedding venue area. Now we just arrived at the reception area in this place called Xander's house. Let's go check this place out. By the way, the wedding was nice and beautiful.
Girl, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. And the tones so clear. Oh, look out. Second verse.
We'll sit with you guys. Here. Have the kids sit on that side.
Okay, here's a drink menu. It's pretty cool. And for dinner, it has 7-course meal. This one's called shrimp balls. Looks really delicious. This is crab meat asparagus soup. This one's called beef cubes. And the fried rice. And this one is some kind of chicken dish. Delicious.
When the road looks rough ahead, you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old pal said, but you got a friend in me. Yeah, now you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, you know I got them.
Alright, it's the next day. Waiting last night was good. Now next day we're going heading out to Oklahoma to check out some casinos there. Let's do this. Today we are traveling about 80 miles north from Plano, Texas to Oklahoma. On the borderline of Oklahoma and Texas, there's a big, humongous casino called WinStar. We're gonna check that out. According to Wikipedia, WinStar World Casino is supposed to be the world's largest casino based on the gaming floor space.
Yeah, that's how they organize it.
Oh, that's why it's called World.
Dude, this thing is
New York,
humongous.
Vienna, Rome.
Yeah, that's how they organize it. So you know where you're at by. You know where you're at by like
The country, city.
It's like Vegas in one.
Pretty cool.
A compact
They
Vegas.
got the Coliseum. Some kind of
I don't know where to park.
medieval thing.
Wow, that's... So we are finally at the Oklahoma for the first time. What do you think? So we are at the WinStar, Oklahoma, one of the biggest casinos around. So we're gonna go and check this out. The place is sectioned off with a different theme. You can tell by the building. It's pretty amazing. And we're going to the New York entrance. But first, we have to get some food. So we found this hot dog hamburger place nearby.
Streaming.
So people say everything is big in Texas. Check out this rest stop and gas station. We're at the gas station and rest stop called Buc-ee's, and they're humongous. They're big.
cinnamon sugar pecans. They're really good.
Shit's good, man.
So we had a great time in Dallas, Texas. Now it's time for us to go home. We just dropped off our rental car. Now we're heading out to the airport.
The next stop is. Please do not block the door. Allow people to exit.
Before we take off, we're at the Dallas Airport Club Lounge. Okay, so this is our first time in the Dallas Airport Club Lounge. It's pretty small, but there are very variety of different food choices. And he has a small open bar and lots of snacks and drinks there.
If anybody's feeling new, that